State of mind. Controlling your child's pain during vaccinations with your state of mind. Be there. Having a parent there makes a child feel more secure, particularly younger children.
Let's get the needle.
Let's do Samantha's food.
Your child looks to you for how to act and feel, so you can make it better or worse just by how you react. If you are stressed, your child will pick up on that, and that will make your child more stressed too.
I think if parents are afraid of getting shots, then the child will be afraid of shots.
Yeah, and if the parents are all tense and everything, it'll be like the kid, oh my god, my parents are afraid. I guess this needle is really gonna hurt.
And
They'll be like, no, I don't want to go to the doctor's office. You're scared, so I don't want to go.
Be calm, use your normal voice, and be positive.
I come in very cool, calm and collected, and then all of the kids, even as infants, were never had any difficulty with needles.
Children are less stressed when parents are positive and coach them through the pain. Children are more stressed when parents are nervous and focus attention on the pain. If you are nervous, take a few deep belly breaths to calm yourself.
Simply take a slow, deep breath through your nose for 3 seconds, counting to yourself 1, 2, 3, and breathing so that it is your belly and not your chest that expands. And then exhale through your mouth for 3 seconds, counting 1, 2, 3.
Belly breathing is calming for anyone in a stressful situation. It works for children too. You can practice belly breathing with your child ahead of time. Simply rest a toy or object on their belly and ask them to make it go up and down slowly. If they are doing it correctly, they can see the toy go up and down as they breathe in and out slowly. Once they know how, they can do deep belly breathing without the toy on their belly. Take a few deep belly breaths yourself and then ask your child to take a few deep belly breaths too. You can start right before vaccination and continue during and after vaccination. Blowing bubbles, windmills, or pretending to blow out candles also works to help children take deep belly breaths and acts as a distraction too. Staying calm and deep belly breathing is one of the ways to reduce your child's pain during vaccination. Don't forget to view the rest of the videos in this series. And remember, combining the different methods together will lead to even better results.